from California, city of the rose. Grew up in Pasadena. That's just how I go. I'm from California, city of the rose. Grew up in Pasadena. That's just how I go.
I reside in Pasadena, we call it the Rose City. I'ma take you through my hood, be patient and roll with me. It's the home of Jackie Robinson, where you gotta work your muscle. Find a job or work a hustle, playing at the Turkey Tussle. Everything rose gold, playing at the Rose Bowl. All my homies at the Yard Neck, playing dominoes. I got love for every Mexican in my body, yo. If you never been around here, we tell you adios. City of the Roses, lost on Lost Robles. I be out at Villa Park where they get the most lit. Low end snake pits, brothers trying to progress. Kings got manners too, shout out to the project. Everybody wear J's, everybody wear coats. Life ain't fair, but we still love Fair Oaks. I'm from the Rose Town, every day it goes down. Woodbury Avenue, all the way to Old Town. And now you know
I'm from California, city of the rose. Grew up in Pasadena. That's just how I go. I'm from California, city of the rose. Grew up in Pasadena. That's just how I
I'm
go.
from the city of the rosebuds, where they give you cold hugs. Grew up at the boys club, gotta show my boys love. I'm good wherever I go, from the top to the low. Barbecues at the bowl, watching shorty drop it low. See the homies all day up at RJ's Pac-Man Arcade, yeah, that was our day. Turkey Tussle getting chicks, Rose Parade making chip. In the streets the beef exists, everybody's in the mix. Asking when my rally went, Washington or Elliott, name it, we were selling it, moving with my fellowship. Let's go to Roscoe's, chicken and waffles, or La Estrella tacos. I need Quattro, basketball at Del Mar, Villa Park or JR. You either gang bang rap or you play ball. There's blood pressure and the streets are like arteries. Moving up late with a fresh plate of Bonnie B's.
and now you know
I'm from California, city of the rose. Grew up in Pasadena. That's just how I go. I'm from California, city of the rose. Grew up in Pasadena.